Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install WordPress on DigitalOcean. Step by step, perfect for beginners. We'll go from creating a droplet all the way to accessing your live WordPress website in under 15 minutes. Let's get started. First things first, if you don't already have a DigitalOcean account, go to digitalocean.com and sign up. You can use my link in the description to sign up. Now it's time to set up your droplet. This is your virtual server. Next, choose a data center region. Select a region closest to your target audience for faster loading speeds. Under the Choose an Image section, select the image you want, whether Ubuntu, Fedora, and so on. Then click on the Marketplace tab. Search for WordPress and click on the WordPress. Next, select the droplet size according to your budget, whether shared CPU or a dedicated one. Select CPU options as well, regular or premium. If you want additional storage, you can add more storage from here. You can also set up backups as well. Set up authentication. The easiest way is using a strong root password, or you can use SSH keys if you're familiar with them. If not, watch our video in the description on how to set up one. Give your droplet a name and finally click Create Droplet. Once your droplet is ready, copy its IP address and paste it into your browser. If you have a domain name, you can point it to your droplet by updating your DNS settings. You can purchase a cheap domain name from Namecheap. I will just create a subdomain name blog myself. Connect to your droplet via SSH. Once your droplet is active, open your terminal on Mac or Linux or PuTTY on Windows. You can also connect to the droplet from within the DigitalOcean dashboard. We are now in the terminal window. Enter your domain name or subdomain name and press Enter. Now create a username and password. This is the username and password you will use to log into the WordPress dashboard. This is a necessary step if your site is going live on the internet. Create an SSL certificate for your site for free. The Fail2Ban plugin is being installed. Fail2Ban is a powerful open-source intrusion prevention tool for Linux that helps protect servers from brute force attacks and malicious login attempts. It works by monitoring log files like SSH, FTP, HTTP, etc., and banning IP addresses that show signs of abusive behavior. And that's it! Your WordPress site is now live on DigitalOcean. Just log into your dashboard. Now you can start building your website. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Leave a comment if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video. Happy building!